Step 2. In this case, we're going to find our x-intercepts. Now that's done through the FOIL factoring or using the quadratic formula, completing the square. Any of the techniques that we learned about factoring quadratics can be used in this step. So I'm going to take my x squared minus 6x plus 8, and I will go ahead and have values. I'm going to take my end value and factor the 8 to 1 and 8 and 2 and 4. And that's all. That's all I have. Remember, we did a low and a high, a low and a high. Now our factors are going to be x in both of these front terms, and I need to have a negative 6, which I could get with this pair, a 2 and a 4. If I add those together, I will get 6. I need to have a negative 6 in the middle, so both of these would have to be negative. Also, two negatives multiply to get a positive 8. Remember, these two parts are figured through multiplication, and the middle term we get through addition or subtraction. So those are multiplication, and that works out perfectly. So these are our solutions. Those are the factors. Now we're going to turn them into solutions by actually solving for the x. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. We'll just set these both equal to 0 and solve. Plus 2 plus 2. X is equal to 2. Plus 4 plus 4. Then x is equal to 4. Now I know my x values where they cross the x-axis. They would cross at 2, 0 and at 4, 0. Those are my x-intercepts, and I can plot them now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my x-intercepts are 2, 0 and 4, 0. We're gathering our information and plotting as we go. So right now we can see that the parabola goes this way. To be continued.